Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Health, stamina, and cooldown are adequate. Once done, equip lighter load and adjust sensitivity so you can micro-correct mid-dash. Begin in a neutral stance, crouch briefly to reduce initial recoil, then input the dash command while holding your intended strafe direction. You do this to preserve momentum and minimize recovery time. Make sure to time it between enemy bursts. That timing is what separates a successful evasive dash from a wasted one. You now focus on execution and chaining. Start the dash with forward plus a lateral input, and at 0, 1 to 0. 2 seconds add a light jump to clear predictable hits. Once mid-dash, cancel recovery by triggering a quick skill or swapping weapons. This preserves your evasive window. Pay attention to enemy telegraphs, because you want to chain 1 to 3 dashes into a counterattack only when their primary strike is spent. Make sure to vary timing so opponents can't predict your rhythm. You complete the maneuver by choosing a safe landing point, cover, elevation, or behind an ally, and immediately recenter your aim for the next action. Once done, hold movement briefly to stabilize and avoid snapping out into exposed angles. This reduces follow-up vulnerability. If you need to reposition, chain a short sprint into another dash only after confirming cooldown. If something goes wrong, make sure to release all movement inputs for 0.2 of a second to reset your state before retrying the dash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.